What? Yeah. Yeah. You made a little squeak. You squeaked. No? Yes? Maybe? What? What? Yeah? Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That's interesting. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Good. Look at his face. I think I'm mad at you.
No, he's thinking hard about it, what he wants to say.
Yeah. Yeah. Very interesting. Mm-hmm.
He's telling you he's going to be 3 months old tomorrow.
Oh, you're a big boy. Yeah.
Oh, and that was Happy Father's Day.
Big boy. You're a big boy. Big boy. Well, you were thinking hard or pooping? Yeah. Yes.